Artemis systems are ready to fly astronauts, a hot fire test of an Artemis rocket engine, and educating and inspiring the Artemis generation. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. After extensively reviewing data since last year's successful uncrewed Artemis 1 flight test around the moon and back, NASA has confirmed initial observations that the agency's Space Launch System rocket, Orion spacecraft, and ground systems are ready to fly astronauts on missions to the moon. The agency plans to do just that on Artemis 2 by sending an astronaut crew around the moon and back. On March 8th, engineers at our Stennis Space Center conducted this year's third hot fire test in the current test series to certify the redesigned RS-25 rocket engines. 4 of the engines will help power our Space Launch System rocket on future Artemis missions to the moon. Second Gentleman Douglas Emhoff, NASA astronaut Yvonne Cagle, and NASA Ames Center Director Eugene Tu joined students and their families at an Oakland, California educational event hosted in honor of Women's History Month. The event featured hands-on STEM activities and NASA items to inspire the students to learn about our Artemis program, which will land the first woman and person of color on the moon. NASA's Imaging X-ray Polarimetry Explorer, or IXPE, captured the light blue color in this new image of a pulsar wind nebula in the constellation Vela. The light blue represents the first ever X-ray polarization data for Vela. The pulsar itself is near the center of the image. Measuring polarization could improve our understanding of how cosmic objects like pulsars accelerate particles to high speeds. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.